Hi Dave, I'm just going to give you a real quick glimpse. I've loaded this up just to make sure that it won't give me any errors. As for database, I'm going to go ahead and log in as an admin. I'll show you a few things. This is the actually I'll add a space. I'll show you without the wrong password, and then I'll take it away and show you with the correct password. So, alright, as the criteria, I went ahead and highlighted this because we've already cleared this out. This is pretty much required to even do this stuff. I show you that I can log in as an admin. I will show you as a technician as well. We'll go ahead and highlight that. Right here, I'm going to actually start by creating and editing a customer. So we'll create something real quick here. We'll say 101. Actually, I have a drop down menu here, so it's nice. And I'll go ahead and create it. It will give me a confirmation, says created, and I forgot to take out this, but I'll take this out. So I have it to where it gives me a message box just before I click on it. I forgot to take that out, but I'll take that out. So to click on it, you just click on manage customers and click on the customer's name. I can change that to, let's say, Don. Change that, update it. I'll show that to you again here. See, it's right there. You just click on manage customers and you can edit whoever you want. I'll go back and put Donald. And I like this address. So, in regards, we updated it. What it will, if you wanted to create a new ticket, it's nice because it will actually show you that person in it, accurate. This refreshes every time the page refreshes. It loads from the database. We'll create a ticket real quick here. We'll go EC, maintenance, EC. Alright, additional notes are optional. I'll put it in there. Statuses, it will not let you complete it, so it has to be an open status, like pending. It will show you your technicians right here. You can assign it to anybody you want to. And as you assign it, it's actually color-coded. Or it's got a special icon depending on what status it's in. So I can go back here and change it to in progress, and I'll change it to that as well. So I'll go back to my pending. Say it's here. We'll say we have a technician, or we can put it actually into change to that. So you can change that too as well. So alright, we'll change in progress. Let's go knock this off here. So I was able to create a ticket right here. Status is open. Got that out of the way. Must be assigned to a trouble ticket. I can assign this to any technician I want. So just so you know, that's what this is right here. Let's just assign it as an admin. I showed you I can edit customer information. So that's good. Must be able to set open ticket. Yeah, so I'll show you that too. All these tickets are open, so you can see those. And I'll also show you completed too as well here in a second. Let's be able to. Alright, so I'm going to knock these two out real quick here just so you see it. Alright, so we can add labor in here. We can say 2.5. We can say it was on today's date. I can say I put some bolts in. Minutes ago, just roughly throw it out there. Rubber bolts. Say put in 5 of them, and it automatically changes the price accordingly. So whatever the price is, it will do the. I'll show you right here. Here's the pricing on everything. Shows you that, and we'll calculate that here. Just so you can see too as well, I can add labor on 2 labors or whatever I want to do. So it's not limited. The database structure will prevent 2 identicals, but it will not prevent 2. You can still create 2 different ones for separate times. So if I wanted to say I worked on it at one point in the morning and then came back and worked on it again, you can do that. So we'll say at 107, total 7, we worked on it for another 1.5 hours, and as you see 2.5 plus 1.5, right there. Does the math for you, and it shows you right here. Real nice and clean. So there's that. shows you completed. He's got that. Technician's hours at 50. And alright, after that's been done, I can actually go back here and I can set my status to complete. And when you do that, you get a nice little green icon. So there's those. Those are done. And username in this. Okay, that one right there I can show you. Actually, I go to create new user. We'll just say here Techo3. Just make something up here. Username. And I'll make this password exactly the same. So technician, admins are easy, as you can see that when you mess with it. This makes you, if you don't put it in minimum wage, it says you gotta have minimum wage. So if we make it for $9.50, we're good. Alright. So it'll create that. It'll say user created. And you can actually verify this in the database because it does load this up. Every time this loads, it reloads not only that, but it actually reloads the technicians as well. So you can see Mark Warburg in there. So I can actually assign a new ticket for Mike. This will make me put something in there for a reason, so I'll just put it for now. Creates a ticket, and look at that. Boom. So yes, I can create. I did first name, last name, user ID, user password. All right, so there's that, and user type. You can try it out and see. You can create an admin as well. So those are done. Now I will actually log out and log in as a tech. It's actually tech. Yeah, it's tech 01. All right. All right. So I'm logged in as technician, and this will only show me tickets that are assigned to me as that technician. Willie Nelson. Technician 1, these are the ones that are assigned to me and I can see it. So I can create a ticket and it will be designated to me. I can change its status to that, and as you can see, Donald Trump's still in there. Create it. Let's see, it ain't gonna let me do it. It's completed. That's right. So we will do it with in progress, and it lets me do that. So I can go in here and make my own changes. I can still do everything accordingly. I'll say 2.5. Everything is updated to standard. So there's that. So yeah, I can change you're logged in. Must be able to see all open tickets assigned to him. That's what these are. I confirm that with you there. Must be able to open troubleshoot tickets, completed service order. So you can click on it. Add service to it, add bolts, do whatever need be. And technician must be able to select unit. When you create it, you can select the units and select whatever you want. Select unit detail and detail work performed by date. I don't really understand what you're trying to say there. I mean, you can see what's here. I guess I could add a date feature in there. It shows you the date if you wanted. If you wanted to clarify, I don't mind making a change to that. I just don't quite understand it. I have it to where you can select it when you create a ticket. So when you're creating a ticket, you can select it there. Work can be performed on multiple dates. I showed you that. Just in case. We'll go back. So I can create labor, say 1 hour on 12:07, same date. I'll move it up a minute and I can create it again. But I can't create it if I want to create it at the exact same time, so it prevents me from doing duplicates only at the same equivalent time. So I found that to be good. Alright, technician must be able to select unit, detail recommendations. See, I don't quite get what must be able to select a unit. So you can select units when you create a ticket, if that's what that's requiring. Technician must be able to enter hours worked by day. That's labor hours. You can plug in your hours you worked by date. So that technically is defined there. Must be able to select materials used for service order, a list of materials or wholesale. So this right here is covered right here. You got your list, and then you have your wholesale right here. Retail, wholesale pricing. So there's that, Okay, you don't need to see that. And all data required